I did put my finger.
When it's plugged in.
Oh,
If
no.
you don't get a shock, then it's good.
Seriously, you do it yourself. Okay naman pala. Okay naman pala. Sabi ko, ay, hindi siya nag-kiss. Usually, mag-kiss goodbye. Sabi ko, nag-iba na talaga.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Good morning.
Laundry.
Yes. Do you have laundry? Bring it here. Good morning mga ka-everything. Ngayon is Friday. Black Friday. Diba? Black Friday, guys. It's a Black Friday, guys. Ang daming sale. Cyber Monday online. Pero, maghanap sana kami ng sa office ni Tammy, guys, yung table for his office. Pero sabi namin kagabi, hindi na dahil 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, we have to think in the future, aalis kami dito and then magpunta sa ibang state. So yun yung kaya hindi na kami bibili ng ibang gamit na malalaki. Marami namang gamit ngayon. And then mahirapan kami kapag finally decided na kami mag-move. Diba? Did you take the thing in the pocket? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, God. So, today, gusto kong umalis, magpunta kay Bianan. Pero, si Tammy, the original pala ni Bianan, monthsary, yung anniversary pala ni Bianan is 29. Kasi last year, hala! Ay, nako, Tammy talaga. Ay, nako talaga. So, ito yung pinakaano ko. Nasasayang na nako talaga buhay na to. Nako. Hindi naman ito magagamit. Mga brand new pa talaga. Ibigay ko to sa family ko. Hindi din ito niya magagamit kasi iba lang talaga siya. Ayan. Ito, hindi din niya magagamit. May mga nagsasabi pala, teka muna, sabihin ko sa inyo ha. May mga nagsasabi na bakit ipadala ko na lang daw LBC. Hindi man ako magagamit ng LBC, guys. Kapag magpadala ako hindi LBC, ibang shipment company. You can put everything in the box, heavy or not heavy, anything. So, yun siya. Kaya hindi ako nagpapadala ng mga LBC. And also, guys, noon hindi pa talaga ako nagba-vlog. I always send boxes sa Pinas, sa family ko. Mga balikbayan box na malaki. Palagi yan, dalawa, isa, dalawa. Palagi yan. And then, nag-stop lang siya noong meron na kaming bahay. May nagsasabi sa inyo na na ipadala ko yung mga gamit sa isang bahay. Hindi yan pwede. Kasi magaganda sana ipadala. Pero, hindi naman yan akin. Hindi yan akin para ipadala. Maglagay lang ako ng light sa gawas sa labas. Kasi yung asawa ko is obsessed of something. Gusto ko sanang umalis. Gusto ko magpunta sa isang bahay. Kasi walang ginagawa. Ang daming lights. Itong GoPro na ito, sayang lang talaga to. Magagamit ko man ito ba sa mga ibang video ko. Do we have white here or yellow?
Lights?
White lights or yellow lights?
We don't only
So what did I put over there every year?
straight down.
No, but I always put lights over there in the
Well, then you
railing.
got them somewhere else. This is everything I found downstairs. You know, the ones in the bag look like little snowflakes. They're not like lights, they're like snowflakes.
Oh, no, no, no. No, just put it back there. So what's in that bag over there? Yeah, that's like tons of green. I don't know. You
Well,
like.
these are green.
I know everything is green.
These are
What is
green.
wrong?
These are red. These are blue.
You do in the reeling. I'll do some in the bushes. Maybe 3 in the bushes, like what I used to do. Can't just overpower with Christmas lights out. Naging addict na social media. Wala yung Facebook, walang Twitter, walang YouTube. Pero nag-open siya ng isang social media, Parlor, para lang makipag-chikahan, para lang makipag-comment, para magbasa ng mga pinopost ng ibang tao. So yun siya, na-addict na ilang days na yan. Nakahiga lang doon, nandun sa cellphone. Sabi ko, addiction yan. Basa ng basa. Parang Twitter siya, pero iba. So yun, hindi ko lang sabihin sa inyo kung anong-ano niya kasi nakakaloka. Hindi, sabi niya ayaw niya ng social media, pero ngayon nag-ano.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud.
Walang mga lights na nilalagay ko sa labas is for outdoor, okay? It's for outdoor. I think dito. Ito siya. Ito.
Your silence speaks so loud.
Hello guys, this is my husband. Done showering, he smells so yummy. I can kiss him yumminess and yumminat, honey.
You just told me I smell like spray.
Spray, bathroom spray guys. No, it's not. Armpit. You smell good, eh? Okay, I'm just worried about my camera holder guys, stand or tripod, because it's loosened for some reason. I don't know what's the reason why it's loosened this since. Okay, my husband is eating, so what should I do? I'm not hungry, but what is this? Oh, this is from last night.
It's a turkey.
The potita. We don't have lamb chop. We do? Oh, you don't eat yours, right?
No.
Oh, I can have that. Can I have it?
Yes, fine.
Sa kanya kasi yan, guys. He doesn't eat it the other night. Because what did you eat the other night? What did you eat, love?
You can take it again. Oh, because you were eating it.
The broccoli wrap. No rice for me because I eat rice morning. So, yung kinain namin kaninang umaga is nag-fried rice ako with on top egg. It's really good, guys. You put the sunny side up eggs on top of the fried rice. Yummy nerds! Naka-red talaga kami. Guys, if you see me wearing like this because we like gustong-gusto ko itong mga ganito. Malalaki, hindi nakikita yung tiyan. Nag-stop muna ako palang nag-exercise dahil meron ako, diba? So, stop muna tayo. So, we plan to go to today. The original plan is we're going to the cemetery today. But because I was wrong with the date, so we decided to do that Saturday. Tomorrow, Han. Can we go tomorrow?
Oh, it'll still be the wrong date.
I know it's the wrong
Sunday,
date.
but
Let me ask Tommy. I think it's outdoor, you know why? It's, ang dumi. Careful.
where are you gonna put it? I don't understand.
Well, I do. I have a plan. Hoy, be careful with the ladder, ha? I don't want you to fall down over there. Kasi, clumsy ka kasi dong.
And I hear you calling up, yeah.
Tami sa labas, guys, na high blood ako eh. Kasi nilagay ko na to. And then, wala palang cover. Alin ba yung pakita ko sa inyo na walang cover? Yung plug nito is walang cover. Look. So, ano siya? Kung ilagay ko siya sa labas na walang cover, na masisira. Masisira yung ano siya. Pero lahat naman ito walang cover. So that means okay lang ito. Cover naman siya. Pakita ko nga kay Tami. Nairita ako. So tinanggal ko na lang. Na may nagdikduk-duk na dito. Nagduk-duk na. Careful. Be careful. It looks like no cover, but there is a cover. It's
Oh, is there a cover?
the cover is clear.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, but I want you to check.
Well, you could
No,
test
get down. Taste it. Put water.
Plug it in. Put your finger on it.
I did put my finger.
When it's plugged in.
Oh,
If
no.
you don't get a shock, then it's good.
Seriously, you do it yourself.
Oh, yeah, there is a cover.
No, you hold it, please.
No, I can see it.
Can you try it?
I can see it. Comes there. It's fine.
Look, and
Sorry. Hon, you were down there. I just said I see. It looks like there. I can see the fuses.
and I put it in there. I took it already.
Oh well.
You have a problem.
No problem.
No,
It's your problem to me.
you know what?
I'm up here. I got my own problem.
Kalor, Christmas light pa more.
I'm holding on for you to come around. I've waited for so long, I've run aground. I feel I'm burning up inside. Oh, hear me crying. I feel like everyone's alive, and I am dying. 'Cause you are all I need. The reason I breathe.
Okay, dito tayo, guys. Lagyan natin dito. Mr. Cupido. Oh my gosh, ang ang langit sobrang itim na yun, guys. Parang may bagyo na naman, may ulan. May ulan. Hindi pa siya tapos. Ako tapos na ako for now. Salita ako ng salita pero wala pala. So yun, balik tayo sa pinagsasabi ko. Si Tami andun pa sa labas. ang nakakapagod magsasalitaan din, mamatay lang yung camera. Na memory error pala. Doon hindi siya patapos. And then ako napapagod ako sa kakalagay ng wire sa labas kasi naglagay din ako ng mga extension wire. And hindi po ako magluluto ngayong araw. Sabihin ko kay Tami, I'm not cooking. I think I'm just going to ask him to get pizza. Anong ginawa ni Mr.? What did you do?
Half to sit on that bush doesn't work.
Huh?
Half to sit on that bush doesn't work.
Half of the thing? Really?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do now? Han? Can we do some pizza tonight?
Yeah.
Like the pepperoni pizza? So now he's looking for, and then dito it doesn't work. some of yung ibang light hindi nag-work. So meron siyang Oh, how did you find it so fast? Yeah, but did you get the right spot?
Well, I bought this. You don't have to be in the right spot. Finds the shunts.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you go.
You can see, hon.
Well, you're gonna come out here and see. I can't tell from there.
I'll do it tonight.
You think you know the reindeer out?
We're going till tomorrow, probably. We're gonna put it over there. And hey, the pole.
What?
The flag pole.
Well, that's awful.
We're gonna put that under there. Oh my God, ang daming aso nito.
You gotta move that way over here.
What?
Actually, that's part of it. I'll move the one over here and plug it into this set and we'll go back. Those are silly over here.
Be careful. Careful. Tinanggal niya, oh. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung lagay ko. Itong asawa ko talaga. I said careful. You're gonna rip the wire. Okay, let me help you because you become like...
Yeah, because of this type of light that you can't like.
I said be careful, Tommy, because this wire, it says you cannot even do it in the bushes that it's hub. Tommy forget his phone. Anyway, guys, what are you getting?
Pepperoni pizza.
And how about you? What do you want?
Hey, coffee pods.
What do you like? Okay, guys. Hello, guys. Nakatulog ako, guys. Nagpahinga ako doon ako sa ano. Sa beanbag ko natutulog. Sabi ko ni Tommy. Oh my God. Come in! Come in! So, hindi na ako niya sinama, guys, dahil wala. Hindi niya ako sinama. And also, we have to turn this. Okay. Yan na. O na yung light, Christmas tree. And also, dito sa labas, automatic kapag magdilim. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya, okay? Yun. So, iniwan lang tayo ni Mister para bibili siya ng ano. Hindi na ako sinama. Sabi niya, dito ka na lang pakainin mo itong mga babies natin. So, yun. Tignan natin. Okay. Okay, dito. Okay naman pala. Okay naman pala. Dada's home. Oh, he got pizza and he got something Chinese and I don't know. That's a Chinese bag. That's like a smiley bag. It's a Chinese bag. So he got some pizza. No, I mean the individual. Oh, okay. And also he got, what did you get? Chicken.
And clamshell.
Oh, his favorite. Our favorite. I have pizza, so I'm good with pizza. So what did you said you went to the thing? Why it takes forever?
Because Big Lots is not close to that.
Huh?
Big Lots is nowhere close to that.
I thought it's closer, love.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, I have problem when you left.
Which was?
You don't kiss me goodbye.
Watch.
No, kiss goodbye. And then I feel like so down.
I kiss you love. You fell down before I left. You were sleeping in a chair. You're going to get coffees.
You got a lot in there? That's it? No, I mean, did you order more?
I don't have room for more.
No, yung pag-alis niya ba, sabi ko, hindi siya nag-kiss. Nag-iba na talaga. yan yung naisip. Nakaupo ako doon, nagawa ako ng thumbnail. Sabi ko, ay, hindi siya nag-kiss. Usually, mag-kiss goodbye. Sabi ko, nag-iba na talaga. Na-lonely ako, tuloy. Ay, nako, Lord. Yung ikuha tayo ng plato. Ay, pizza for a long time. Macaroni, pepperoni pizza. It's been a while. Pizza. Hello. Hi, Ed. Good. How are you? You just came out from work? Just get out?
Yeah, just get out of work.
Good.
It was a boring day. There was nothing going on. Alright.
Okay, he's here.
Okay.
What's up, kiddos?
What's up, Tom?
Nothing much. How about you?
For Ray for Christmas. And I got one for Ray and Charlie for Christmas.
Okay.
And this way, and Melissa has one, and she got one for her. Just what I thought it would be a cool idea.
Well, it helps them stay in touch at least.
Yeah, I
Yep.
ordered the Apple 3 watch for Thomas.
Hi guys. Kanina lang ako doon. Nag-i-edit ako kanina. Andun yung asawa ko nakaupo. Nag-i-edit ako. Ganon. Diba? Naka-squat. Ganon. Sus-squat ako. Sabi ko, kailangan kong pigilan. Kasi alam kong lalabas. Sus, umutot ako guys. Ang lakas. Ang lakas niya. So, tinignan ko si Tami, sabi ko, umutot ako. Sabi niya, ang baho. Sabi ko, walang baho kasi malakas. Sabi ko, walang baho, basta malakas. Sabi niya, ngayon ka pa nakaamoy na hindi ka naman nakaamoy. Kasi yung pang-amoy niya is, hindi siya makaamoy ng parang Makaamoy siya guys, pero Pero tignan niyo to siya. So, umutot ako guys. Grabe, nakakahiya.
When it comes to taking the COVID vaccine. And he joins us. How long can this deference to experts who get everything wrong?
There is.
How you doing? You're busy. Busy. Mo, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Nah. Move. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't scratch over there. You ruined this thing already. Dimples. I see, don't scratch the cover. Pagkabuliyagon jud nimo, buliyagon kay ka ha, buliyagon. Come here, Lynn needed to cut your nails. Come here. Come, Dimp. Come here, follow me. Come. Okay, kailangan nating ikat muna yung nails mo, okay? Bago mag-ano. Okay, hold on, Dimp. Hold on. Okay. Habs. Ganyan lang sila guys. Magpakat man sila ng nails nila. Teka muna. Come here, go. Okay, Mama need to cut your nails. Be a good boy. Be a good boy, okay? Be a good boy. Okay, only one because only one is longer. Okay, here. Okay, that's it. That's it. Simple. Very simple. Yan, mga good girls and good boy and good girl naman ito sila. Magpaano naman sila ng tawag nito. Kuko nila. So, yun. Hindi naman ako nagproblema sa mga pusa ko, guys. Yung mag-cut ng nails. Hindi. Nagproblema lang ako sa... Problemado lang talaga ako sa aso ko. What are you murmuring? What are you more?
Why are we not leaving the lights on all night? Because we're not even near Christmas. You don't even think you just passed Thanksgiving by a day.
I know. So 10 o'clock?
Right now, let's get it. Keep going all the time.
Okay. Hi, Remy Tike. You're going outside? Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. I end the vlog how many times, but my camera, it says...
Why?
No, the camera said it's like error because of the SIM. Hala, Han, watch out, Han! But anyway, guys, good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. I see you tomorrow. Pupunta kami ng cemetery bukas. Dami. Hopefully, maaga kaming alis dito. So, yun. I will see you guys tomorrow.